Hey everyone. So today I'm going to show you all how to make a login page or sign up page for your app in Adobe XD. This is what I have so far, and now I'm just going to go over what I've done so far. So I've created a second page, and we're going to start by creating a background. So I'm going to click fill, go to the greens, and just select a green that or any color that you like. Next, I'm gonna show you how to add a picture in the background. So I found this website called pexels.com, pexels.com, and you're just gonna right click and click copy, go back to XD and click paste, and then basically you're just gonna fit it however you like best by dragging the picture. And then if you want to make it less opaque, you're going to go over here and start dragging it left. I did like 21. That looks about right. And then now we're going to create the title and subtitles for the login page. So just simply click this text box button. Type in budget balance. And now we can go ahead and start messing with the text. I'm going to make it bold. You can pick from any of these fonts that they have up here. I don't remember which one I picked. Maybe I'll go Calibri. Make this a little bit bigger, 43. So now we have the title, and now I'm going to do the same thing just right below it. Create a subtitle. And that just the regular font. Let's change it up. Go back to 22. All right, now we're going to create the username and password boxes with this rectangle button. And to type in username and password like we did before with the text box tool. Make mine another color of green. And when you go to drag things, you're going to have to click this pointer button again, take it off the text box. We're going to do another one for password. Now for the sign up button, we're going to create another rectangle, but this time we're going to fill it in with the gradient. Or fill. One more text box. There you go.